Hello, dear students. Welcome back to the science class. Dear students, I hope you all are fine at your home and are studying well. Today, in this video class, we are going to study about the lesson Good Health. Yes, in the previous video classes, we were studying about the lesson Good Health. Yes, what are the things we have studied till now? Yes, can you remember? Yes, first we have studied about the definition of a nutrients. Yes, then which are the essential components of food. Yes, whatever the food we are eating in our day-to-day life, it contains what? It contains some of the nutrients. Can you name the different types of nutrients? Yes, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughage, water. These are the essential nutrients which are present in a food. Where these essential nutrients are present? These essential nutrients are present in a food. Next, we have studied the components of food, their sources and what are the functions of those components of food here. I hope you have understood this. This is very important, dear students. So you have to remember the name of the nutrient, then which are the sources, from which sources we are getting that nutrients to our body, and what is the function of that nutrient in our body. So you have to remember this chart very neatly. So try to read and practice it. Okay. Next, we have studied about the balanced diet. Yes, can you define what is balanced diet, dear students? Yes, a balanced diet is a diet that contains all the nutrients in the right amounts for the proper functioning of the body is known as a balanced diet. Yes, in the balanced diet, it is one of the diet. Balanced diet is a diet, okay, that contains, what it contains, the balanced diet? It contains all the nutrients. See, dear students, balanced diet andre enu, ee balanced diet alli ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? It contains all the nutrients in the right amount, nothing but in a right amount it contains for the proper functioning of the body. If our body want to function properly, then we need a balanced diet in our regular life. Remember, if your body wants to work properly without any illness, without any sickness, without any diseases, then you have to follow what? You have to follow this balanced diet. So this is a very important definition. Remember, what is balanced diet? A balanced diet is a diet that contains all the nutrients. What it contains, balanced diet? It contains all the nutrients in a right amount. In a correct amount it contains. In a right amounts. For what purpose? For the proper functioning of the body. If your body wants to function properly, then you require what? You require to follow the balanced diet. Remember, what you need? You need a balanced diet. Yes, dear students, here is the definition of a nutrients. Yes, can you define what is nutrients? What are nutrients? Yes, what are nutrients? The essential components in a food. The nutrients are the essential components in a food that we need to live and grow are known as a nutrients. What are nutrients? These are the essential components in a food. Nutrients are the essential components in a food that we need to live and grow. If you want to live and grow, then what we need? We need these essential components. Where these are present, essential components? These essential components are present in a food. Remember, the essential components in a food that we need to live and grow are known as nutrients. This is the definition of nutrients. Okay, if define nutrient question comes, you have to answer this only, remember. Next point here you see the essential nutrients are. Then which are the essential nutrients? Can you name the essential nutrients? Name the essential nutrients which are present in a food. The question may arise in this manner. Name the essential nutrients which are present in a food. Then you have to answer the essential nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water and roughage. These are the name of the nutrients, different types of nutrients these are. And where these nutrients are present? These nutrients are present in our food. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood the definition of nutrients, the next definition, then the name of the components of food, the next one balanced diet. And in the last class we have studied about the food pyramid also. Yes, if you want to follow the balanced diet, then you have to follow this food pyramid. Okay, how much carbohydrates you have to consume more. Next, vitamins and minerals you have to consume more only. See here, bread and cereals and groups, nothing but these are carbohydrates. You have to consume most, you have to consume. Then vitamins and minerals you have to consume more. The next one, proteins you have to consume in a moderate amount. Then fats and oil you have to consume less here. In this manner, if you follow the food, then your diet will be good here. Let us see the next concept. Exercise, sleep and rest. Yes, you know already the meaning of exercise, sleep and rest. Yes, let us study about this one now. We must exercise only on a daily basis. Yes, daily how much we have to do the exercise, on the basis of that we have to perform the exercise. It helps us to maintain a right posture and remain active throughout the day. Then what makes, if you do the exercise, what will happen? Yes, it helps us to maintain a right posture. Then what is a posture? Yes, posture is nothing but it keeps your back and everything straight here. You looks correct here. Your body will be straight manner. So if you do the exercise, it will help you all to maintain a right posture. And even you remain active throughout the day. You will not get a tiredness. Okay, throughout the day, full day you will be acting. So when you wake up in the morning, you have to do exercise for at least few minutes. You have to do the exercise, so that exercise keeps your posture properly and you will be active throughout the day. Okay, cycling, running, jumping, skipping are some forms of exercise. Yes, dear student, these are the forms of exercise. Cycling, it may be running, jumping, skipping. These are the different forms of exercise. Whichever you want, you can follow in your regular life here. Yes, if you want to do running daily when you wake up in the morning, yes, you have to go for running, so that it will keep your posture properly and even you will be active throughout the day. You will not get any tiredness. Okay. Let us see the next one. Apart from exercise, our body also needs sufficient rest and sleep. Yes, dear students, not only exercise, even our body needs rest and sleep also. Rest and sleep are also very important terms in our regular life. Without rest and sleep, our health will be not good condition. It will not be in a good condition. So even doing exercise is how much important, even that much of sleep and rest also we require to our body. So apart from the exercise, what our body needs what? Our body needs sufficient rest and sleep also. Okay, we must take rest for proper functioning of our body. See, dear students, if your body wants to function properly, then even you have to sleep. You want rest for your body. We should sleep about 6 to 8 hours. How many hours we have to sleep? We have to sleep 6 to
8 hours here, remember. We need how much sleep to our body? Yes, about 6 to 8 hours in a day. Per day we have to sleep 6 to 8 hours, remember. Okay. By not only exercise, not only working, without working and okay, if you are working also, then your body needs rest and sleep. So you have to at least sleep 6 to 8 hours in a day here. So by following exercise, sleep and rest, your body will be properly functioning. So dear students, today we have studied about the exercise, sleep and rest and the definition of nutrients, balanced diet, then which are the essential components of food. These are all the things I have discussed today. In the next video class, we will discuss about the diseases. Till that, read the lesson, okay, practice the difficult words, and even you have to mark the important points in your textbook. In the next video class, again we'll continue with this lesson. Till that, have a nice day. Thank you.